Hey everybody, how's it going? Today, I have something to install on my iPhone 5s project phone is this thing. So this is my phone. And so, without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so I have a two thing which is the tempered glass for the front part. With white at the side, it's not a matte, just a clear tempered glass. While this one is back protection just like this. It's a carbon fiber with transparent edition. I'm going to install on the back side, but at the side it's really hard to find, especially for the 5 series. Alright, very nice. It fit for the iPhone 5, 5C, 5S and iPhone SE 2016 as well. So as you can see, how nice. Alright, so the carbon fiber back protection and the wet and dry wipes tissue. So I want show you the installing process because it's really hard for me to do like that. I need to practice more. So this is the before. So the after is like this. Has been installed. Wow, looks very nice. So for the back side, already been installed, but unfortunately the size of this sticker, it doesn't fit well. What I mean is, as you can see, it still have a space that is not covered yet, but never mind, at least I can have this sticker on my 5S. It looks very nice. And so before I end this video, you can give a feedback for installing a tempered glass and the back sticker for the 5S project phone in the comment below. And so that's all for me. Thank you very much and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you on next video. Goodbye and have a nice day.